Welcome to the Gig Desktop Portal Training Series. This, as with all the other trainings, has been designed to be a resource to help the portal users to understand and effectively use the portal. As you transition to a gig workforce, we want to make sure you do it the right way for your business. One way, the gig way. If you have any questions or comments, please reach out at info@gigdapp.com. That's info@gigdapp.com. If you haven't had a chance to review the previous models, I highly suggest you review them, as it'll keep you up to speed with the process and prepare you for the elements of this and additional trainings. So this module is for the settings and account tabs. Let's attack the settings tab first. So this represents your personal profile and your business profile found on the portal. So at this point, you've signed in and opened your main dashboard. Up here you have your main header. Down below, we'll go to the Settings tab. Up at the top, you'll find your Edit tab. Click on that. You'll see your personal information. Down below, your company information. Here you just click on your picture to change your main profile picture. This you can change your header. Here you can change your name, address, phone number. This will be all your contact information as you go about your business. Company information, pretty much the same. Clicked on your header, click on that, and it'll click open, and you can change that profile picture. Here, this is where you're able to select what specialty or licensure you specialize in. So when they pick up your profile, it'll show all that information. The name of your company, address of your company, contact phone number, and your EIN. One note on your EIN, generally you won't change that unless you're changing from a sole proprietor that's under your Social Security number to an EIN, which is your business profile. Those are for tax purposes. As well as your company information. This is your brand. So you really don't want to change that once you get going, because that's what you want to be recognized at. Down below, we'll look into your required documents. If you change this, you won't be able to post new bids until your documents have been verified again. We'll get a pop-up, and then we'll be able to take and look at those and approve those. Your trade license, just click on those. You can click on a new trade license and add those. Same with business license, your insurance, workers' comp or liability insurance or bond. This information here, you'll need to update that every year or whenever that expires, so that you can always keep a current document in there that'll show up on your account when other people are placing a bid or a customer is looking at to have you come over and work. Your linked bank account is where you transact. If you have a wrong account, here you can click Reset, and you can start over, unlink it. That also has to go into your Stripe account. Once you unlink that and put a new one in, you reconnect the Stripe. And that'll pull that up. Reconnect that account. When you're all done with all that information, whether it's one item or many, you want to click Save. That'll save all the information and changes that you made. Pretty straightforward for the Settings tab. Once again, if there's any questions, please contact and reach out to us at info@gigdapp.com. Now for the Account tab. The Account tab is pretty simple. This is just your account information, how it shows up on your portal. All documents have been verified. This is your email address and you can go back and change that in settings. And this kind of gives you that information and contact support where we'll be. Here you can sign out, and this is to delete your account. Understand when you go to delete your account, if you have any transactions that are open, invoices, contracts, any items that need to be paid for or receive payment, before you delete this account, you'll need to make sure all of that is accounted for, or you won't be able to delete the account. If you have any questions, we can reach out to us here, and I understand and continue to delete the account. So that's it for the settings and account tabs. If you need more training on the desktop or more mobile portals, please reach out to us at info@gigdapp.com. One note, as you transition to a gig workforce, do it the right way. The only way, the gig way.